Let's make pie. I'm going to start with 1/3 cup sugar, 1/3 cup brown sugar, half a teaspoon cinnamon, a dash of salt, and 3 tablespoons of flour, plain flour, all-purpose flour. Now we want to mix this up so that the flour mixes with the sugar completely so we don't get any clumps. Next, we'll add our peaches. This is one of the large cans of peaches, 29-ounce can of peaches. And our mango, which is a 16-ounce package of frozen mango. And we'll turn the heat on and bring this up to a bubble and let it get thick. Next, we're going to make the topping. I'm going to put a dash of salt in with a stick of butter. That butter is room temperature and nice and soft. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/3 cup brown sugar, and 1 cup of flour, plain all-purpose flour, and just mix this up. After it's mixed up into clumps, put it in the refrigerator to allow it to, it's easier to add it to the top of the pie when it's kind of cold, and it will slow down the melting in the oven and slowly release the butter into the wonderful pie filling. Now back to the filling here. We just made our topping. It's been about 5 minutes and it's getting nice and thick. I turned the heat off about a minute ago. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice, about a tablespoon. Stir this in, and we'll set this aside to cool down a bit. I actually put this in my freezer because I had room, the topping here, and I like to take a knife and kind of break it up into pieces. My oven has heated up to 400 degrees. Let's put our filling in. It's still quite warm. Put this in. And as I've said, my oven is 400 degrees. I'm going to set this on a pan and then put it in my oven. And as soon as I put it in there, I will lower the temperature to 350. Just came out of the oven. It baked for 65 minutes. It would have gotten a little bit more brown on the edges if I had put an egg wash on there. But it's okay with the way it is, you know. Just needs to cool off for 3 hours or 4 hours. Then we can have some. And here we have our delicious, delicious pie. Thank you all so much for watching.